In our previous lesson, we learned how to solve basic integrals, diba? Using U substitutions. But in integration, there are some integral problems that need to be simplified first before we can apply some methods. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to solve some of those problems. And kadalasan sa mga problems na na-encounter natin sa integrals ay rational functions, no? Like f of x over g of x. No? The integration are being consist this one die. So, if we have or if we encounter this kind of problem in integration, one of the patterns that we have to look is the highest degree of f of x and g of x. And if we notice that the highest degree of f of x is greater than or equal to the highest degree of g of x, then we can use this formula. No, f of x over g of x is equal to q of x plus r of x over g of x. Now, this is only for this one if the highest degree of f of x is greater than or equal to g of x. So, let's use some example here, no? Para mas maintindihan natin kung yung application niya. So, if we have a problem, integral of 2x squared minus 6x plus 4 over x minus 3 dx. No. So, as you can see, yung highest degree ng f of x, which is the numerator, is greater than this, no, which is the denominator, or the g of x. So we can use this formula. This f of x over g of x is equal to q of x plus r of x over gx. So let's use the formula. But the question is, before we can use the formula, let us first get this one, this q of x plus r of x over g of x. Now, how to get that? We will use long division. So, let's divide this one, no? F of x, 2x squared divided by minus 6x, minus 6x plus 4 divided by x minus 3. Now, 2x squared divided by x is simply 2x. 2x times x is 2x squared. And it is, let me just rewrite this one, minus. Now, 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. But this is negative here. That's why we will put positive sign here. So, it will become 6x. Now, we can cancel this one. Cancel. Let us use red para tsada gihapon. 6x. So, we have this 4. No? Let's bring down this 4. So, as you can see, this is our r of x. This is our And this is our g of x. I know, this is our q of x. This is our q of x. And this is our g of x. No, this is our g of x. So, now we get the value, we already got the value of 2x. I know the q of x, r of x, and g of x. We can now substitute it in our formula. So, f of x over g of x is equal to, yung qx natin is 2x times r of x plus pala to. So, r of x natin is 4 over g of x is x minus 3. So, this is now the simplified form of this integral problem, no? As you can see, mas madali lang i-solve or mas hindi siya gaano komplikado tignan kumpara dito sa 2x squared minus 6x plus 4 over x minus 3. So, I forgot the dx. So, to solve this, we can just separate this one, 2x dx plus integral of 4 over x minus 3. x minus 3 dx. O diba, mas madali siyang i-integrate pag ginamit natin tong formula na to. So, we can just take the constant out, then x dx plus 4. Here, sa 4 over x minus 3, pwede natin itong isulat as 1 over x minus 3 times 4 para mas madali siyang i-integrate. So, here, integral of x dx, we can just use the power rule. So, 2 power rule, x squared over 2, right? So, we can cancel this one, cancel, and then plus the integral of, here, we can now use the u substitution. So, u is equal to x minus 3. And our du is simply dx. So, let us rewrite our integral 1 over u times 4 du. dx is equal to du, diba? So, for du. Now, we can take out the constant here. So, first, let's write this x squared plus, take out the 4, so it will become 1 over u du. So, now, let us integrate 1 over u. X squared plus 4. The integral of 1 over u is simply ln u. So, it will become ln u du. So, let's bring back the value of u here, which is x minus 3. So, x squared plus 4 ln absolute value of x minus 3 plus c. So, this is plus c already, though, because we are integrating na. So, this is the final answer for this problem. This is the final answer. Let's put some red here. This is the final answer. Diba, mas madali siyang isolve pag isi-simplified muna natin bago gamitan ng mga methods like U substitutions or any methods na alam nyo. So, kapag nagsasolve tayo ng integrals, una nating gawin is tignan kung pwede ba nating ma-manipulate or tignan natin kung ano ang pattern na present sa problem na yan. So that we can think some of methods to simplify if need pa siya simplify. No? And this one, in order to solve this kind of problem, we need to simplify it first so that we can easily integrate it like this. No? And this is the answer. X squared plus 4 ln x minus 3 plus c. So I hope you learned something. Please subscribe.